All right, so this is what it looks like, fully assembled. I just haven't removed the rubber cap, and I've attached the bracket. There were these clear pieces which helped the hose stay straight going into the assembly up here. But now that we have these horseshoes in place, I seriously doubt we're going to need that. This thing's locked into place, and all the hoses are running in roughly the right direction. So all the plugs are in right. I made sure all the connectors were tight and correct. It's just a matter of putting this back panel on and reattaching that. I still want to go over here and see if I can replace this little black box. If I cannot, that's okay. I'm not worried about it. What I'm probably going to wind up doing is just pushing the fridge back into place and seeing if I can reattach the water hose and see if the fridge works right now. So one thing at a time, but I have a feeling that the fridge will start working right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.